Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about Wi-Fi not turning on in Redmi. Simplified troubleshooting process. Number 1. Restart your device. A simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches affecting Wi-Fi functionality. Number 2. Reset network settings. Navigate to Settings, Connection and Sharing. Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings and confirm. This will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. Number 3. Reboot in safe mode. Press and hold the power button. Tap and hold power off until the reboot to safe mode prompt appears. Tap OK. In safe mode, check if Wi Fi turns on. If it does, a third party app may be causing the issue. Number 4. Factory reset. Last resort. Go to Settings, About Phone, Factory reset. Confirm and follow on screen instructions. Ensure data is backed up as this will erase all data on the device. Thanks for watching.